my gosh. It's huge. The storm is, dude, it's this tiny little storm too.
Sorry, buddy.
What? Like, it's this bad, but it's barely there. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm getting a bag. I'm getting a bag.
I'll get a bag and put that in.
Yes, and it's not, and I'm still recording. Hey guys, sorry that it's super blurry. You guys are in the bag. I put them in a bag so they don't get wet, Dad. But now it's all blurry. Oh, I saw a bird. It was up there. Oh, it was flying. No. I want to be out there, but then I'm like, nope.
I don't think lightning, dude.
The power went out earlier. It came back like immediately.
And then it goes out.
Well, the kitchen didn't. The kitchen power was out the longest. Did you hear that? I know. I'm talking to the camera. Dude, this is a different episode. This is not my vlog. I already did my vlog though. Dude,
Dude, look in there.
holy! Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. What?
It's like a swimming pool. Oh, I'm getting wet from here.
Yeah, it's almost over.
Good. Yeah, it's getting a little better. It's still soaking. Wait, are you safe in here? Whoa. Dude, it's like this part right here is a shower.
Really?
No, that's a shower.
And that's nothing. You should have seen it a little bit ago.
I know I did. It was crazy.
Take a shower.
No, you're not. You took the shower last night.
It's so safe. The tablet's not wet at all.
Oh, yeah, now you're having a Ziploc.
Oh, crap. Unless we're going to have a flood today.
We don't get floods here.
It's not going up tonight.
Dude, my feet are soaking.
Dude, give me the camera.
Dude, let me through. My feet are soaking. Hey, at least it's not hitting in here anymore. Hey, dude, it's dry in here.
Somebody.
I'm gonna do a challenge.
Oh, nice.
No! Not doing the challenge! Hey, I went further.
Oh, no. No, I'm not doing it.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the... I did it! I did the challenge!
I'm going.
Put your hand in the little river. It feels so cool. But then you have to rain. Can you record?